Welcome back, everyone. It's a beautiful day today. What do you say we make this thing look a little bit better? Yeah, sounds like a plan to me. I got to fill up the little washer here. Need some gas. Probably won't hurt to put some heating oil, fuel in it. So I've had some people argue with me in the past that gas doesn't last a month. Well, you can see how much gas I have in this barrel. I filled that full 3 to 4 years ago. The fuel that's in the hose will get a little bit discolored, but the stuff that's in the barrel, that looks perfect. And this is E10, 87 octane unleaded. Heck, my diesel, that's all of 2 years old in there. But I'm not too worried about the diesel, and I'm not too worried about the gas. So, let's fill her up. See if I can show this to you. This comes out really fast. I don't want to make a mess. You can probably hardly even tell that that's a different color, and then it clears right up. And this thing will have no problem running this. I would say this gas is closer to 4 years old than 3 years old. Same guy also told me that if he leaves a gallon of gas in the gas jug, it's shot after a month. And you know what? I mixed up gas last year for the chainsaw, and I cut down that big cottonwood tree. It had no problem. That's I don't know, 7-8 months. And where do you think I got that fuel from? Out of this barrel. I haven't had any major trouble with anything carburetor related in a long time. You just got to use some common sense about it. Now, if you guys didn't see what the gas looked like in this thing when I first tried to get it going, go back and watch that video, because it was nasty. But who knows when this thing was run last. And gas does go bad, and I'm pushing the limits of this gas, I'm sure. Because I've had gas go bad in vehicles, and it'll actually rot out the fuel pump and the sending unit and all that stuff. Not saying gas never goes bad, but I'm saying it lasts longer than everybody says it does. Now, when I run the stuff in a performance Mustang or Corvette or something like that, no way. But these small engines and stuff like this that can run on about anything, no problem. Good enough. And the fuel that I just put in the tank down there, that is B10. It's got 10% biodiesel. And I'm not worried whatsoever. It will burn it just fine. It'll burn 20%. The way the system works, no problem. Don't worry about it. So why don't I have any trouble with my gas? Well, 1, my gas isn't bad yet. 2, I shut everything off and run the carburetor empty before it sits for any amount of time. Obviously, if you're going to use it in 5 minutes from now, a couple hours from now, it'll be fine. But if you don't know when you're going to use it next, run it out. Then you won't have any sticking floats or anything like that. Switch is on. There's water dripping out of every orifice. Recoil doesn't seem right. Oh, what the heck? That's gonna get a double knot in it. I just put this thing on. They had the knot tied in it when I got it. I didn't put that in there. That's what I get for trusting somebody's tying abilities. There's no way I'm pulling that knot through. Almost. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. All right. Oh, almost. Now we're starting to build up pressure in the pump. There we go, now it's it. Why didn't I bleed this out before I started the engine? It seems to start way better if it's got a little air in the system. I know it's probably not good for it, but what can I say? This thing's kind of a piece of junk. Gets the job done though. We're just gonna let her warm up here for a minute. Well, I was told the engine was overhauled by the last owner. I don't know what he did for sure, but there's no paint on the block. So that kind of makes me think that it got cleaned up, you know, and went through. I didn't notice this, but we got a leak in the gas tank. I'll have to fix that sometime. They got some schmoo on there. But watch this. I got the gas on, this one's ready to go. This is a choke. I'm not even gonna touch that. Ready? Contact. Nice. Got the parking brake on. It'd be nice if there's some sort of a step here. Looks a lot better without the moss on it. What do you guys think? You want to run them?